For this tutorial, you'll first need to launch the Internet Explorer. In the address bar, type in banner.subr.edu. Then press Enter. Then click on Enter Secure Area. For the user ID, type in your 9-digit S number. It can be found on the back of your check stub. If this is your first time accessing self-service, your PIN number will be 111111. If you have accessed self-service before, continue to use the same password that you have been using. Once your login information is entered, click Login. This will bring you to the main menu in self-service. To access your timesheet, click on Employee. Then click Timesheet. This will bring you to the timesheet selection screen. Your timesheet for the most current pay period will automatically be selected, so just click Timesheet. This will bring you to your timesheet where you're able to report your hours for a specific date. As an undergraduate worker, you are required to sign in and out daily. To report your hours for a specific day, click on Enter Hours. This will bring you to the Time In and Out screen. In the Time In box, you will enter the time that you arrived to work. Please note that all single digits must be preceded with a 0. In the drop-down box, be sure to select the correct time of day. In the timeout box, you'll enter the time that you leave work. Once you are done entering your hours for a specific day, you want to be sure to scroll down and click on Save. You'll notice that your hours have now been recorded. To navigate to the following day, click on Next Day. You'll repeat the same process. To navigate back to your timesheet, click on Timesheet. Once you have completed filling out your timesheet for a specific pay period, you want to scroll down and click on Submit for Approval. This will bring you to the certification screen, where you'll be prompted to enter your PIN number. Once you enter your PIN number and you click on Submit, you certify that everything on your timesheet is accurate. Your timesheet has now been successfully submitted. You can log in and check the status of your timesheet at any time. You have now completed the process of submitting your online electronic timesheet. Thanks for watching.